All right, so this is the Spiritus Systems Refuel Kit. I like this kit a lot because it comes with everything you need. So if you're looking to build a new first aid kit and you don't want to go through the hassle of buying everything individually, you can buy this and be pretty much done with it. This has a lot of things extra that I really like. For example, the frog tape here. This stuff is awesome. You can use this for all sorts of things like, I don't know, blisters, repair some lacerations, stuff like that. So this is pretty cool because you can use that for all sorts of things, even not medical related. You do get a cat tourniquet. You also get some really nice North Rescue shears. These are really nice because they have the inside rubberized, so you get a pretty good grip on it. You also have the O2 tool here, so you know, if you're an EMT, this would be perfect for you. And these shears are normally pretty sharp, so they're really nice. You also get some packing gauze or compressed gauze that you can use. This one's specifically for wound packing, so this is pretty nice. You get 2 of these. You get some combat gauze. You get a pirate patch here, an eye patch. You get an NPA. You got your chest seals. Decompression needle. You got some gloves. And you got a survival wrap, a really heavy duty survival wrap. This thing is not like your typical foil pack that weighs like nothing. This one's a little bit more heavy, and you can also use this as a signaling device if you use it obviously the opposite side. So it's pretty dope. I really like this one compared to the other ones. The 2 elastic wraps here, which are pretty dope to kind of go over compressed gauze. The only thing that I like to add to this kit specifically is like an Israeli bandage, a bigger bandage, which, you know, if you have these 2 here, you can kind of make your own, but I like having that in conjunction with all this stuff. So this is like 150-ish bucks, but it comes with everything that you need. You got your quick clot, your tourniquet, your shears, your chest seals, and your decompression needle, and then everything else is pretty much extra in my opinion. So yeah, this is a pretty dope kit. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. You can check it out.